Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, DoorDash drivers. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and today we got some exciting DoorDash news for you. So get ready for some cheesy goodness because National Quesadilla Day is just around the corner. It's actually tomorrow, guys, September 25th. So let me go ahead and read here. Chipotle and DoorDash have teamed up to bring you an amazing deal you're not going to want to miss. If you're a Dash Pass member, you in for a treat. On September 25th, when you place an order of $25 or more exclusively on DoorDash, you will get a chance to enjoy one of 20,000, that's right, you heard me correctly, 20,000 handcrafted quesadillas right from Chipotle. So what's going on? Well, Chipotle and DoorDash, they got a partnership in conjunction with National Quesadilla Day, and it's for Dash Pass members and Dashers to maximize and take advantage. So that's right. They're going to be giving away free quesadillas for Dash Pass members, and it's as easy as that. Now, there's a TikTok creator, Alexis Frost. So she's fabulous at TikTok, guys, and she's going to be having a promo code on her TikTok channel at around 2 p.m. Again, the name of that is Alexis Frost. So this is news to me, guys. I just found out about this, and I want to make sure I get it to you guys as quickly as possible. Make sure you head on over to her TikTok channel. I'm going to be doing the same thing myself, and I'm going to try to leave a link for it in the description. And make sure you get that promo code at 2 p.m. tomorrow, September 25th. That way you can take advantage of this promotion. And not only that, they're going to be introducing a brand new carne asada quesadilla. So that should be interesting. I might have to go to my local Chipotle and check it out. But picture this. You cutting into that steak marinated perfection, seasoned with Chipotle's signature spices, and it's finished with the squeeze of lime, and you got the cilantro on there, and what you like, you some pico de gallo. Me, myself, I like to have a little bit of white rice up in mine. Look, it's going to be awesome. So this is exclusive. Carne asada quesadilla will only be available on DoorDash, making it super convenient for you to order it. And look, if that's not enough, Chipotle's handcrafted quesadillas are pretty much irresistible. And you can customize your quesadilla with your choice of protein, some fajita veggies, and you can even have some amazing dipping sides on the side. It's awesome. I want to talk about the impact this can have for Dashers because all that Dash Pass stuff is good and well, but what impact can this have on DoorDash drivers? Well, in the past, whenever we see DoorDash do any type of promotion or collaboration, it can be good and it can be bad for Dashers. But I want to focus on the potential for maximizing your earnings when it comes to these partnerships. So if we know that they doing this partnership with Chipotle, that would lead me to believe it's gonna be more Chipotle orders going out. They're gonna be doing more promotions and discounts and coupons in conjunction with the orders that pair with Chipotle orders as well. So my strategy for tomorrow is going to be basically head out like I normally do in Dash, but when it comes to those prime times, I'm going to try to make sure I'm by Chipotle, and I'm also going to try to keep my delivery distance within a 3-mile radius of the Chipotle so that I can keep on bouncing back and getting those orders. Because once 2 p.m. hit and this promo code goes out, those orders finna start coming through Chipotle. Anybody that's been following this and know what's going on, they definitely gonna be placing the order. And anybody with Dash Pass, I'm pretty sure DoorDash is gonna be sending them out a notification, letting them know that they having this promotion going on with Chipotle. So you wanna make sure you're in the right place at the right time so you can maximize and get that money. And if you new to the DoorDash platform, but you happen to have access to either the new DoorDash Tier Rewards program or you have access to the DoorDash Large Order program, this may be an opportunity where you can really maximize because we all know that lots of catering orders come out of Chipotle. You may get you one of them big old boxes or sometimes 2 or 3 of them, and you can deliver them to hospitals and office buildings and dentist office and schools, and sky's the limit. So you want to make sure that when they're coming out with new products and new promotions in conjunction with those products, you want to make sure that you're in the right place at the right time so you can get those good orders and you can make the most money in your market. Now look, guys, I know this is short notice, but this is happening tomorrow, September 25th. So you want to make sure you're on your P's and Q's and you're ready to either, spend that money on Dash Pass or go out and maximize and get you some fire orders. Hey, maybe you're receiving a little bit of peak pay out there and you can make a whole bunch of money. So look, hopefully this video was valuable and entertaining to you. And if it was, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Watch one of these videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.